tight. It's got real parts in that, whatever that is. Arizona. Not eBay, it's Amazon. What's up with this? Are they recycling my boxes?
Most likely.
Oh, beating up Harley cases. No big deal. That's a small twin. See, it's as big as my hand.
Right.
Small twin. The old dirt daubers at work. See, all the holes are filled up. It's a lot of work getting all that crap out here to get all the holes working again. Look at every one of them's plugged up, see? Looks like somebody went there and put putty in them. Every hole's plugged inside and out, see?
For what? So they don't rust?
Dirt daubers, bugs.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Fill them up. Arizona. This was out in the desert, sitting out in the rain. See how it looks like it's all corroded? Because it is all corroded.
So what do you do?
58. So this is a 58 casting. See the number? So this is a trike case. So these are the ones I like to modify for racing. Because they're reinforced over here. They don't have that big generator snout sticking out here. So these are the ones you cut up. Use them for other things. But now I got a collection of these going, so now I can sell them to people who need them now, I guess. V-Twin's making repop right cases and left cases now, but the left cases are a lot cheaper than right cases. So you can buy a repop case now and match it up to this and make yourself a motor. Just like you do on big twins. This doesn't have the boss up here for the relay because they eliminate all that generator stuff. 58. They also use the 5/16 holes here instead of the 1/4 inch because they used a regular 2-brush generator in these things. So they're machined for the later bike. They also have holes right here for the lifter, drain back on the lifters. They started doing that in 52, I think. So that dumps right through here into the case. Supposed to make them oil better, I guess. I don't know if the air is going this way or that. I'm not sure. Probably blowing up, not down, but who knows. Anyway, nice case. Secret number would be over here, under all this crap where you can't see it, but somewhere there's a number.
Right there.
There it is.
3581142.
Should be 58.
Yeah.
You don't count the first digit. It's next to the year. And there's usually only 4 digits here. Rarely is there 5. Usually 5 means it's bogus. And these stamps here should be all the same. They should all be equal depth. So these ones are a little deeper than these, which I never like. It acts like, you know, Harley put these numbers on there, then they decide to put this later on. Someone else can buy and renumber it here, which doesn't make sense. If you made the case, they'd all be the same all the way across. But who knows? I see so many cases that look wrong to me. But why would they care about a 45 case? There's too damn many of that crap, and nobody cared about trikes. Why would you steal one of them? So, you understand it being a Panhead, they'd modify it. Stupid 45. But anyway, nice case. I don't see anything really wrong with it. Motor mounts are all on it. Nothing obviously broken. Looks like a good part. Don't know what I paid for it, but knowing me, I'm cheap. I didn't pay a ton for it, but you know, a couple $100 maybe. Who knows? Anyway, there you go. 45 trike case.